time, obviously in the comfort of my own bed. I wanted to make this video, but I didn't feel like setting up for it because it's 11 o'clock at night, okay? So y'all finna get this, y'all finna get all this hyperpigmentation, okay? In my lazy t-shirt. I just wanted to come and do an update. Because obviously I do not have lock extensions anymore. I think these are called braids. So yeah, those are out. I took them out about dang, when I took them out, hold on, I took them out at the beginning of December. I combed them out. I did not cut them out. I actually still have them just in case I want to use them again, which is probably not going to happen, but you know, you never know. So I kept them. I've been rocking braids for the last month and a half or so, however long it's been. And y'all know I do not like doing braids, but my lock extensions got to the point where I just felt like my hair was coming out of them, and which was to be expected because that was my first time ever crocheting locks onto my actual hair. And most of them actually stayed in pretty well. It was just a couple of them, and I was like, you know what, I can't do this no more. And I was just so excited to see how much my hair had grown since then too. So those were short-lived. I mean, for me to have done that for the first time, I did keep them in a decent amount of time, because when did I do them? I did them like at the end of July 2020, July, August, September, October, November. I kept them in for about 6 months. I think that's pretty good for me, because anybody that know me, they know I can't keep no hand. They already know I can't keep no hand. So I think that was good. I think I did really good. So I just been rocking braids. I'm waiting for my fro to grow back out. Of course, I'm going to show y'all an updated picture so y'all can see all the growth, because baby, y'all ain't been seeing my hair, but it's been growing. It was growing underneath them lock extensions, okay? They was doing their little thing and doing it well, you know what I'm saying? They was doing their little thing. So I got a decent amount of length now, and I'm gonna come off to the side and put it right here so y'all can see. Y'all can see the before when I cut my first set of locks off, and then y'all can also see what it looks like now. And I'm really proud of my growth. What I am thinking about doing is just going ahead and doing braids for a while like I was doing before, and just rocking them things out until my hair grow back out, and then I'm gonna start rocking an afro, which may also be short-lived because I don't like combing my hair, which is why I keep my hair in braids to begin with. But I am growing my undercut back out as well. And she getting up, babe. I ain't got much to work with, but it's getting there. I think it's growing like it's supposed to. I didn't think it was at first, but now that I can actually, you know, stretch it out and see how it's going, it's getting pretty long. So I'm just waiting for all of my hair to grow back out so I can lock this situation back up again. When it gets to a comfortable length, I am definitely locking my hair back up, okay? Ain't no question, ain't no doubt about it. My head's gonna get these locks, okay? Because I'm tired of doing my hair. And that's on period. I'm tired of doing my hair. I'm tired of worrying about my hair. I just want some locks, okay? My God. I wish, sometimes I just wish I didn't even dye my hair the first time. I wouldn't be going through this. I still have locks in my head. But we're not gonna dwell on the past because we don't live there anymore. So I just wanted to come and give y'all an update because I know it's been a few months, and It's been a lot going on as far as my life is concerned, and I'm just trying to get a lot of stuff back on track because things have not been the way that they were. We're just gonna say that it's been, I ain't gonna say it's been a little rough, because I just feel like it's part of the growing process. I just feel like I'm in a crushing stage right now. I'm in a pressing stage right now. So if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Especially my spiritual people, I just feel like I'm in a crushing stage right now. And I just feel like everything that is promised to me is like right around the corner, because the way I've been going through stuff just don't make no sense. Like I can't even make logical sense out of it. So that's how I know something greater is coming. So I'm not even worried about it, but I'm about to get this thing back on the road though. I know that. I have not been on Instagram, and I know that's where I got most of my followers from off of Instagram. But I am going to start back posting on Instagram too. I'm really trying, y'all. I'm trying to get back in the swing of things, because honestly, after the election and all that stuff, I've been trying my best to stay off social media, because it's just been too controversial. How you say that word? Controversial. Oh, whatever. I'm not trying to sound ignorant, but it's just been a lot going on. Okay, we're not gonna get into all that, because we're not gonna talk about politics on here. But look, I've been trying to distance myself, because I do not need that type of negativity. I've been on social media enough to keep up with what's going on, but not enough to linger in the comments and see what people are saying, and just getting upset and depressed and picking fights with folks talking about politics or whatever. I'm not gonna do all that. I'm here to see what's going on, and I'm dipping. Like, that's how I've been on social media. So yeah, because it's been a lot. But your girl is gonna get back in the swing of things. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get back in it. And that's just that. Cause I miss making content. And I don't know if y'all miss me, but I miss y'all. So that's what it is. So if there's any video suggestions that y'all would like me to make, please go ahead and let me know, cause I will make them. I feel my creative juices flowing again. I appreciate being a creator. I really do. I appreciate creating content for y'all. I appreciate editing. I appreciate talking to the camera, even though public speaking is not my forte. I'm really trying my best, because I just feel like it's a part of my ministry. So I'm really working on that. But yeah, y'all, I miss talking to a camera. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back real soon.